What is going on, guys? It's your boy Darius back at it again with another video. What are you doing? Okay, and just pull out in front of me. That's a great idea too. Anyway, so sadly this weekend was another bust thanks to weather. Like, the weather completely screwed everything up this weekend. I mean, the cold wasn't that big of a deal. The big problem was Friday night we just left. Like, I don't know, we just wasn't feeling it Friday, so we just sort of just kind of took off. So Saturday, which was last night, we was out, and it started to rain. So we changed locations. Then it seemed like it was clearing up, so we went out. That was a mistake. Like, when we went out, it poured the fuck down. Like, it was terrible. So sadly, there's not gonna be any cool races and cool videos for today, from this weekend, sadly. I'm so sorry. Anyways, so I guess seeing that I've had the shift knob on my car for a couple weeks now, so I guess I'll give my kind of impressions, seeing as I never did a first impressions video. So I'm just gonna do a little review video. Alright, so here we go. I honestly love the feel of it. It feels really, really good. It looks good. I mean, it something so simple changed the complete look of my car. The complete inside of my car ever since my shift knob install has completely changed the whole entire look of my car. Now, granted, it's not gonna help me drove faster or nothing like that, so some people's gonna be like, oh, that's just retarded, you wasted your money. You know what, I went ahead and got the shift knob, so when I do get the Barton shifter, because that's what I'm gonna get the Barton Hybrid 3 shift knob. Sorry, I'm gonna get the Barton Hybrid 3 shifter. When, I don't know, because bills is coming up, holidays is coming up. So I got a whole lot of stuff that's coming up soon. So I don't exactly know when I'm gonna be able to get it. So when I get it, y'all will know, and I will do an install. Because probably when I do an install on that, when I do the install for the shifter, I'll probably just go ahead and knock out the sway bar relocation and my upper control arm, seeing as I have not done either one of those, because when I put my lower control arms on and my panhard bar, it was already like 11-12 o'clock by the time I got done. I didn't feel like doing the upper relocation brackets, and I sure as shit did not feel like doing the
that you do
upper control, the upper control on water sway bar relocation brackets. By the time I got done, like, I was dog ass tired, so I just said fuck it. They still ended up having some issues, which if you have not watched that, I didn't really do a video, but I had some issues after I did everything. The e-brake was not hooked back up properly. My fault. I will take full blame on that. And it did not hook up properly, and I ended up having no e-brake. Put the e-brake on, let off the brake, let off the clutch, and I just kept rolling. So I had no e-brake. Fixed it, so we're all good. I got an e-brake, we're good. Sorry, side note, got off track, my bad. It looks really good. It feels so much better than the stock shift knob that was in my car. And I mean, it's an easy install, like 5-10 minutes, done. It comes with the part. It comes with the Allen key. Allen.
You could do so. You want.
Yeah, Allen key you need. It comes with it. You don't need to go search for anything. And then literally, because when I get my I'm not gonna tell you everything I'm gonna do, but pretty much when I get the Barton shifter, I do not need the grommet piece that I had to order. Now, if you're using a stock shift boot and a stock shifter, I think, but pretty much if you're using the stock shift boot, you have to get the grommet. I put it in the video, so you have to get the grommet. Literally, it's like $2. If you have an 11 to 14 with the stock shifter and stuff, you have to get this little grommet, and it literally just pops on top of it. It gets rid of the space. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. No, it's if you're using the stock shift knob. My bad. I'll get it right in a second. But other than that, the feel of it is great. I mean, I completely love rowing gears now a little bit more, which I've always loved it, but now I love it even more because of the feel of the shift knob. Like, it feels amazing. I've played around a little bit with it. I haven't fully raced, so I don't know how it's gonna feel when I'm actually having to bang gears. So hopefully I get to feel that. I get to see what that feels like pretty soon. So we'll see. We will see. But I'm really glad I bought it. I love the Punisher skull. The quality of the shift knob is amazing. Like, the metal's pretty good. I mean, it comes with how to keep it clean and everything. My only issue with it, which, I mean, it's not really a big issue, it's just me being nitpicky, because I'm a nitpicky asshole. Like, if you have not, like, my friends and family will tell you I am nitpicky as hell. I can have it all good to go and still found something to nitpick about. Is the Punisher skull just, it's well put in there. It really is. It's well engraved in there, but I don't like how small it is. Which, I mean, I know this shift knob is a whole lot smaller, and the one I got is a smaller one. They have another one that's an actual gripper ball. It's probably about, get you into something like, probably about like that. So it'll probably be bigger in that one, whereas I got something totally different. So, I mean, I'm glad. I still like it, though. The rubber feels amazing. And like I said, the Punisher skull looks great. The blue looks great. And the good thing about the MGK, I completely just lost train of thought just now. I don't know what the hell just happened. But the cool thing about the MGK shift knob is you can have two different colors. You can have a blue stem and a white topper. I mean, it's totally up to you. Like, custom. God.
English, motherfucker, do you speak it?
Damn it, I can't even talk. Whatever design and pattern you want to do, you can do. And I don't understand why you were going so freaking slow. Sorry, I wish you would figure out what the hell you're doing. Sorry. Like, I was in 5th gear doing 30.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Anyways, so like the color combos is endless. And then if you get tired, like if I get tired of the Punisher, I can order another topper and literally change out the topper and never have to order another one. Like, it's so simple, and it's such a good feature to have. Like, you're not stuck with the same shift knob combination forever. It's so cool. Like, I like it. But that's my opinion, and that's my, you know, how I feel about my MGK shift knob, Punisher shift knob. So I am out. I will catch y'all next time. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit that like button, and make sure to hit the little bell button so you know when I upload. Make sure to come back. Bye.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow.